If you've been scrolling online and stumbled across the HTC NE20 Bluetooth 5.4 earphones, you've probably seen the flashy ads promising futuristic AI translation, stylish LED touchscreens, and crystal-clear high-fidelity sound. But the real question is, are they actually worth your money or just another overhyped gadget? On paper, the NE20 seems like a powerhouse, blending the latest Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity with features you wouldn't normally find in standard earbuds. But when you dig deeper, the experience feels less polished than the marketing suggests. The AI translation, for example, sounds like a breakthrough feature, but in practice, it often struggles with accuracy, especially with fast speech or less common languages, making it more of a gimmick than a reliable tool. The LED touchscreen looks impressive at first glance, yet the responsiveness can be inconsistent and the added display drains battery life faster than expected, leaving you charging more often than you'd like. Sound quality is another mixed bag. While some tracks play decently, customer feedback has pointed out issues with clarity, bass balance, and occasional connection drops, which you wouldn't expect at this price range. Comfort also varies, with some users reporting they feel bulky after extended wear. And then there's the price. For what the NE20 costs, you could easily get earbuds from well-established brands that deliver better consistency and performance without the extra gimmicks. Add to that the aggressive marketing tactics, bold claims about revolutionary features that don't fully match real-world results, and it becomes clear that the NE20 may not live up to its futuristic image. In the end, these earphones aren't a total scam, but they're not a guaranteed win either. They sit in that gray area where flashy features meet questionable execution. If you're still curious and want to check them out yourself, the product link is tagged in this video.